I'm Mikki and I'm an Aviation Australia graduate. My journey started with one trial flight, and from that moment, I knew exactly where I wanted to go. There was something about aviation that challenged me. The focus, adrenaline, problem solving, and knowing I could master it. That moment sparked a goal. If I put in the work, I could build a career in the flight deck. Aviation Australia gave me the pathway to make that goal real. Their training program, their support, and their loan options meant I could jump in fully and commit to the career I actually wanted. Now I know what aviation really looks like: building knowledge, leveling up, celebrating the milestones, and pushing myself forward with every flight. Aviation Australia helped me launch my career. Dedication is what keeps me climbing. Aviation Australia, the sky's the limit.